Hi, I'm Fiona, the Heritage Coordinator here at St John's, and my job is to enable the whole village to come together and commemorate the wonderful heritage of our church and village, and what a great time to do it. This year St John's Church is 150 years old, and it is getting a much deserved birthday present. It's being restored to its former glory with a new roof, new drainage, new gutters and some internal redecoration. It will be back open for worship very soon, and there are some amazing celebrations planned. There is an exhibition between June the 8th and June the 16th, and a great family party that will be free for all the village on the 15th of June, and a worship celebration on the 16th of June. But these events can't happen without your support and talent. We need an events team for the party. We need a techie team that can help with the organisation of bands, and we need someone to sort the food and the beverages, and people that have an eye for the stalls that will entertain and interest, people that can help on the day with the setting up and the tearing down, security, litter picking, you get the idea. We also need bakers to bake an enormous birthday cake. There's a fantastic research team who are working hard looking at the history of the church, and they're preparing the historical exhibition, but we still need more village history and more memories to be shared. We also need a creative team who have an eye for colour, who can create and make things and think outside the box in terms of display, village engagement and enjoyment. It would be wonderful if everyone came forward to help with something. Please don't sit on the fence, don't be shy. Come and tap into your talents and hobbies to be part of the R150 Heritage Celebration. Let's work together to celebrate our wonderful church in our fantastic village. Please sign up where you think you can help most.